Hello, my dear children. Good afternoon. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Right. So today we will start the topic that is real numbers. Yes, already you have learned this in the starting of this year, right? So already you have completed and you know the concepts very well, right? So today we will discuss some multiple choice questions and two marks questions. Okay. So which type of questions will come in the examination, that we will discuss today. Yes. Before going to start the today's session, first we should understand, or we have to recall our memory, right? Now, so ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Just we have to recall, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಮರಿಯನ್ನ refresh ಮಾಡೋಣ. That, yes, my dear children, what do you mean by real numbers? So chapter name is real number. Then what do you mean by real numbers? Yes, do you know what do you mean by real numbers? Yes, real numbers. So we know what is numbers. Numbers means it is counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ಈ ತರಹ count ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, that all we call it as a numbers. So there are so many types of numbers are there, right? So that natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational. Okay. Yes. So first comes natural numbers. So types of numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ first ಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? Natural numbers. So what do you mean by natural numbers? Yes, my dear children. What do you mean by natural numbers? So natural numbers are the counting numbers. When you start the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, that type of numbers, that set of numbers, we call it as a natural numbers. So natural numbers andre ಏನು? ನೀವು ಏನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, that numbers we call it as a natural numbers. And always natural numbers are denoted by the letter N, right? So capital N. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so on up to infinity. We don't know where it ends. Okay, next comes whole numbers. So next type yaudu? Whole numbers. Yes, my dear children, do you know what do you mean by whole numbers? Yes, miss, I know. What do you mean by whole number? Yes. Can anybody tell me that what do you mean by whole numbers? Yes. Whole numbers ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So when you write, okay, when you write natural numbers along with zero, okay, when you write natural numbers along with zero, we call that set of numbers is whole numbers. And always whole numbers are denoted by the letter W. Okay, whole numbers are denoted by the W, by the letter W. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity. When you write 1, 2, 3, 4, that means when you write natural numbers along with 0, that type of numbers we call it as a whole numbers. Okay, so if you consider a number line, okay, see, this is a number line. For example, this is 0 and ಈ side ಬರೋದೆಲ್ಲ, these all are positive numbers and these all are negative numbers, right? Yes. So when you consider a number line, only positive numbers are there? No. Only 0 is there? No. Along with 0 and positive numbers, there are some negative numbers are also there, right? So ಕೇವಲ 0 and positive numbers ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ negative numbers are also there, right? So if I consider 0, positive number and negative number, that set of numbers we call it as a integers. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? Integers. Okay. So integers are denoted by the letter Z. Why? Z is Zelan. So Zelan, right? -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. Yes, these all are integers. Okay. So only negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Ishte ide na number line alli. No, there are some other numbers are also there, like 1 by 2, 2 by 3, right? So 5 divided by 2, 4 divided by 3. So this type of numbers are also there in the number line. That type of numbers, we call it as a, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿದೆ. So that good name is rational numbers. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Rational numbers, right? So rational numbers means it is a quotient, Q, right? So Q is equal to when the numbers are in the form of P by Q, when the numbers are,
roll back admission
yes, when the numbers are in the form of P by Q, that numbers we call it as a rational numbers, right? So 1 by 2 is in the form of P by Q. 2 by 3 is also in the form of P by Q. So when you write the numbers in the form of P by Q, that type of numbers are called as rational numbers, right? So for example,
the child is
3 by 2, okay, minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, so plus 1 by 2. Okay, and 5 divided by 3, so on. These type of numbers are called as rational numbers. And rational numbers, it includes natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, right? So rational numbers alli ella type of numbers barutte. See, if I write 5, 5 is a rational number, means it is not in the form of P by Q. How can you tell that it is a rational number? Yes, it is in the form of P by Q. See, if I write 5 by 5 divided by 1 anta nan baradre, if I write 5 divided by 1, it is in the form P by Q, right? Adu P by Q tara agutte. So if it is in the form of P by Q, then it is a rational number, right? Yes. Another one type of number is there, that is irrational numbers. Okay? Number line alli ಇಷ್ಟೇ numbers ಬರುತ್ತಾ? No, another number is also there, that is root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 10.
Correct.
Right? So this type of numbers are also come. Root 2, root 3, root 5, pi. So these type of numbers are also there in the number line. So that numbers, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So that numbers are denoted by, that numbers are called as irrational numbers, that is denoted by I. Or you can say IR. Okay, I. For example, root 2, root 3, so on. Yes. So if you consider natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, quotient, rational numbers and irrational numbers. So ಎಲ್ಲ numbers ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ what we call it as a real numbers. Real numbers means the numbers, real numbers include all the set of numbers. Okay, real numbers include all the set of numbers is called as, okay, so in real numbers, natural numbers are also there, whole numbers, integers, rational, irrational numbers, all type of numbers are there. Okay, so that set of numbers we call it as a real numbers. Okay, yes. Next comes, okay, yes, next comes what we are going to discuss in this chapter. Yes, so first is HCF, LCM, right? So now ಈ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We are going to discuss about the HCF and LCM. Next, one theorem is there, right? One theorem is there. Yes. ಯಾವ theorem ಅದು? Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This is also very important. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay. Yes. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Next, irrational numbers. Prove that root 5 is irrational number. Okay. Revisiting theorem anta ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Irrational numbers. Okay. Only this much is there in your syllabus. So very easy topic, and ಇದು ಒಂಥರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೋನಸ್ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. So before going to start the questions, first we should know what do you mean by prime numbers and composite number. Have you heard about prime numbers and composite number? Yes, miss, we are 10th standard students. We know about the prime numbers and composite number. Yes. Then what do you mean by prime number? Yes. What do you mean by prime numbers? Prime numbers ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Yes. Prime numbers and composite numbers. Yes. Prime numbers and composite number. Yes. Anybody can tell me what do you mean by prime numbers? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Prime numbers means what? Yes, please stop talking. Please stop talking. ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Please stop talking. Okay. Yes, my dear children, tell me what do you mean by prime numbers? Yes, you know already what do you mean by prime numbers. Yes. Okay, don't talk. Don't talk. Yes, my dear children, don't talk. What I'm telling, don't talk. See, if I consider one example, that is 3. Okay, if I consider one example, tell me the factors of 3. So 3 ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, tell me the factors of 3. That is 3 ones are 3, or 3 is 1 3. 3 ones are 3, or 1 3s are 3. Means only 2 factors I am getting. Tell me the factors of 5. 1 5s are 5, and 5 ones are 5. Right? Yes, my dear children, so many disturbance is there. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ ನಾನು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Yes. Okay, if I consider 7, tell me the factors of 7. That is 1 and 7, right? Like that, if I consider 12 ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, what I will get? See, 12. Tell me the factors of 12. We will do by factorization method. Yes. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 12, 6, 3 ones are 3. Right? 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 ones are 3. That means 12 factors are 2 and 3. Right? 2 2 and 3. Yes. Now, tell me the factors of 15. 15. So 15 will come in the table 1. 1 allu baratte. Next. Is it comes in the table of 2? No. So 3 5s are 15. Yes. Next 5 3s are 15. Yes. Next 15 ones are 15. So how many factors are there? So 12 ಯಾವ numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next 3 4 6 and 12. Right? So factors we are getting like that. 15 1 15 5s are 15, 3s are 15, 14 ones are 15, right? So like that, if I consider 16, 16, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16, next 8 2s are 16, next 16 ones are 16, right? So here 4 factors I am getting. Yes, ತುಂಬಾ disturbance ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Yes, please mute, please mute. Okay, ಮಾತಾಡ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಮುಗಿತಾ? Okay, yes. So for 12, how many factors I am getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 15. Means I am getting more than 2 factors here. But here, how many factors I'm getting? That is 1 and 3, only 2 factors, right? So 1 and 5, only 2 factors. 1 and 7, only 2 factors, right? So here, I am getting more than 2 factors. It may be 3, 4, 5, ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, but it is more than 2 factors, right? So if the number is having only 2 factors, that means 1 and itself. 1 ಮತ್ತು itself ಅದೇ number ಇದ್ರೆ, that number we call it as a prime number. Okay, if the number is having only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Okay, that is called as prime number. And the number is having more than 2 factors, that we call it as a composite number, right? So what do you mean by prime number? Composite number. Okay, and another one method will come, that is prime factorization method. What do you mean by prime factorization method? See, for example, if I take here 12 is there. If I take 18, okay. If I take 18, ಇದನ್ನ prime factorization method ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if I do by prime factorization method, 2 9s are 18. Next, 9 will not come in the table 2. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Therefore, 18 factors are 2 and 3 and 3, right? So 2 into 3 into 3. So this we call it as a prime factorization method. So this is also very, very important in this chapter. Yes, shall we start the question solving session? Yes, all are ready? Okay. So first question. Yes. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ unmute ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? Yes. Unmute ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, because already you have learned and you have completed all the concepts. Only this is revision session, and ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು how much you know about the topic, right? So first question, already yes, 1 2 3 4 unmute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Yes, please unmute.
ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ನಂದು.
Yes, okay, ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, don't talk. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್, HCF ಆಫ್ 26 and 91 is 15, 13, 19 and 11. Yes, we have to find out the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. LCM means lowest common multiplier, right? So, you know, okay, yes. HCF of 26 and 91 is, yes, 15, 13, 19, 11. Which one is correct here? Yes, so I will give you 1 minute time. So, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ start ಮಾಡಿ solve ಮಾಡಿ answer ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Yes, which option is correct?
एग्जाम खा सकती यूं बैठना सब कहानी सुन रही सोशल सुनने सबका हां मैं देख लो इसका कुछ क्वेश्चन करा दो
Yes. Which one is correct here? 26 and 91. We have to find out the HCF of these two numbers. For that, what we will do? First, we have to find out the factors by using factorization method, prime factorization method, right? So, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Prime factorization method ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. ಸೊ 13 ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Yes, is it come in the table? 2? No. 13 is a prime number, right? 13 is a prime number. That means 13 ones are 13. It will not come in any other table except 13. 13 ones are 13, 1 13s are 13, right? So 13 ones are 13. Next, 91 is there. So 91. So 91. If I start with 3, then what will happen? 3 threes are 9, but 1 remains. 1 ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So I will directly start by 7. 7 ones are 7. 2 remains. 21 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 7 threes are 21. Right? Again 13. 13 is a prime number. 13 ones are 13. Right? So ನನಗೆ 2 numbers in a factor ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತು. That is 26 is equal to 2 into 13 and 91 is equal to 7 into 13. Right? Yes. Now, which one is common here? Which number is common? So, ಈ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? Yes, my dear students, 13 is common. Very good. So, which number is common? That is HCF of these numbers. That is 13. Yes, 13 is there in the option. Yes, it is there. Which option is correct? Option B is right. Right? Sorry. Option B is right, not C. Yes. Okay. The addition. Yes, don't talk, please. Please don't talk. The addition of a rational number and an irrational number is equal to. So first you should understand the question that the addition of a rational number and irrational number is equal to rational number, irrational number, both none of the above. Yes, which option is correct here? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? addition of rational and irrational number. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? You will get the result as rational or irrational or both or none of the above. ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? Yes. Option A is right or B is right, C is right, D is right. Which one is correct? Option B is right. See, addition of a rational number. See, if I consider 2 is a rational number. Why? Because I can write 2 as 2 divided by 1. Then P divided by Q. It is in the form P divided by Q. If the number is in the form of P divided by Q, then it is called as rational numbers. 2 is also a rational number. Okay. Next. Plus root 3. Root 3 is a irrational number. Then addition of rational and irrational number, we call it as a irrational number. Remember. So irrational number. Option B is right. Okay. Next. If P and Q are integers and is represented in the form of P by Q. See, if the number is in the form of P by Q, then it is a whole number, rational number, natural number, even number. Yes, which option is correct? Already I have told you. Yes. So whole number, rational number, natural number, even number. Nani ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. The number is in the form of P by Q, then it is called as rational numbers. This is very, very basic thing, right? So rational number. Yes. Understood? Okay. Next question. The total number of factors of a prime number. Yes. So this is also very simple question. The total number of factors of a prime number is 1, 0, 2, 3. Yes. Which option is correct? Yes, my dear children. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು option correct ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 3 is a prime number, right? So how many factors it has? 3 has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 3. Like that 7 is 1 and 7. Like that 11 is 1 and 11. So how many factors it has? It has only 2 factors, right? So option C is right. Remember, the total number of a factors of a prime number is 2. Okay, next, the prime factorization of 96. Yes, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 96. ನಾನು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 96 is 2 raised to 5 into 3 or 2 raised to 6 or 2 raised to 4 into 3. 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 2. It is not 32, it is 3 raised to 2. Yes. Which option is right? Yes, my dear children. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದೆನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವಿಚ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 marks ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ,
ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಾ? ರಾಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 2 into 2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು? 5 times 3. ಹಾ, 5 into 3 ಅಂತಿದೆಯಾ ಏನಿದಿಲ್ಲ? ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
yes, which option is right? Option, okay, we will check. We will start from 2 because in the digit place it has 6. So 6 idre adu 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 4s are 8, 1 remains. 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Next 3 is an odd number, so it will not come in the table of 2. So 3 1s are 3. 1 2 3 4 5. How many times 2 is repeated? 5 times. So I will write it as 2 raised to 5. And how many times 3 is repeated? 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ repeat ಆಗಿದೆ? Only 1 time. That means 2 raised to 5 into 3. Yes. Where it is? It is option A. Option A is right. Right? Okay. Next, for any 2 positive integers a and b, HCF of AB, A and B are 2 numbers, remember, okay, into LCM of A and B is equal to, whether it is 1 or A into B divided by 2 or A divided by 2 or A into B. Which option is right? Very, very, very basic thing. Very easy question.
B into LCM of A, B equals A into B. LCM ಮತ್ತು SCF ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಸ್, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನೇ ಇದೆ ಇದು. HCF of A into B into LCM of A into B is equal to A into B, right? So which option is right, my dear children? Option D is right. Yes. Okay. Next, the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Yes, what it says? Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? So observe carefully. Theorem says that every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. So ನಮ್ ಥೇರಮ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಾಹೆಟ್, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬಾಹೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಎವ್ರಿ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. And this factorization is unique. So what I will do, I will make this statement by 2 parts. Okay, heng martini. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes anta one part madana. ಆಮೇಲೆ and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. See for example, ಹೇಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಬಾಹೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಏನಂತ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. 16 is a composite number. So if I do prime factorization method, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, right? 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 4, right? Next, if I consider 36, what will happen? 36 is also a composite number. 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Next, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So how many factors I am getting here? 4 factors. Yes. Another example I will consider, that is 45. If I consider 45, what will happen? 3 1s are 3, 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So 3 examples are there here. So ನಾನು 3 examples ಅನ್ನ consider ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. 16 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So how many 2 is repeated? 4 times, right? So 36 factors ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 36 factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, right? So 45. 3 into 3 into 5. Yes, observe carefully. What our theorem says, every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. So whatever the numbers are there here, these all numbers are prime numbers. Is it correct or wrong? Yes. Is it right? Nodri, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ prime factors ಬಂದಿದೆ. See, 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. Yes. So 16 is a composite number. This composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Product of primes. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು prime numbers ಅನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, what you will get? Finally, you will get the composite number, right? So whatever the number we have given here, that number means this 16 can be expressed as the product of primes. So 36 is a composite number. This can be expressed as the product of primes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ 2 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆನಾ? ಎಸ್, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. No. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, right? So means this 36 is a composite number. It can be expressed as the product of prime numbers. This is our theorem states, right? So and this factorization is unique. So if I further divide this 2, what I will get? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನನ್ಗೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ 2 into 1 ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರತ್ತಾ? ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? 2 into 1 3 into 1 ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. therefore that we call it as a unique. Okay, this factorization is unique apart from the order in which prime factors occur. So this is our theorem states. So very interesting theorem, right? Next. So these questions are for 1 and 2 mark. Yes, this is very interesting question. What is the HCF of, see, observe carefully, HCF of smallest prime number and the smallest composite number? So this question may ask in MCQ question or directly they may ask in 1 mark question. So ಏನಂತ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ question? What is the HCF of smallest prime number and the smallest composite number? Yes, my dear children. So ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡೂ ದ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. and find out the HCF of that two numbers. Yes, smallest prime number. Yes, I want answer. Smallest prime number and smallest composite number. Yes. This question was asked in CBSE 2018 for 1 mark. Yes. Smallest prime number, smallest composite number. Which is smallest prime number? Yes. Smallest prime number ಯಾವ್ದಾಗತ್ತೆ? Yes. Okay, I will give you the options. Yes. Whether it is 0, wait. A is 0, B is 1, and C is 2, and D is 3. Yes, which option is right? Smallest prime number and smallest composite number. ಆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ದ HCF ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? Yes, my dear students, smallest prime number ಯಾವ್ದಾಗತ್ತೆ? Yes, smallest prime number is 2. Remember 2. Okay. Next, smallest composite number. See, if I write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 2 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. 4 is a composite number. That means 4 is itself a smallest composite number. Howda? So 4 ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ numbers ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that numbers are prime numbers. Okay. 4 is a composite number. 4 is a composite number. Okay. Now, 2 means 2 ones are 2, right? 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 are 2. That means factors of 2 are 2 into 1 and 4 are 2 into 2 into 1. Yes. Now, which is common? Which factor is common here? Here also 2 is there and here also 2 is there. Therefore, 2 is common. Yes, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 2 ಇದೆ. So 2 is common. Next, 1 is also a common. Right? Therefore, HCF is equal to 2 into 1. Right? ಈ 2 numbers common ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So 2 into 1 means it is 2. Right? Therefore, HCF of smallest prime number and smallest composite number is 2. Yes. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಏನಂತ? ಮಿಸ್ ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ 2 ದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2, ಬಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 1? ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 1? 1 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು? Yes, this 1 has special characteristics. Okay. So 1 neither composite nor prime. 1 ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? It is neither composite, neither prime. ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಮು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. Therefore, ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We are starting from 2. Okay, remember. Smallest prime number ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋದಲ್ಲ, 2. Okay, remember. Next, express 429 as a product of its prime. Yes, I will give you 2 minutes time. Tell me the answer. Product of primes. Easy there. 429. Okay, express this number as a product of its prime. First do prime factorization method, then write the factors. Okay. Yes.
number
Yes. Have you got the answer? Answer ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? Yes, 429 is a composite number. It can be expressed.
ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ
Yes. 3 ones are 3. 1 remains means 12 by 2. 3 fours are 12. 3 threes are 9. 143. So 143 it ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Yes. So try to remember. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? So directly it is divisible by 13. 13 ones are 13. 1 remains. 13 ones are 13. 11. Next 11 ones are 11. Right? So 429 can be expressed as the product of its prime. That is 3 into 13 into 11. 3 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. 11 is a prime number. So these are the product of its prime. Right? Okay. So have you understood? Shall we move to next question? Yes. Given that HCF of two numbers 135 and 225 is equal to 45. Find the LCM. So HCF they have given. We have to find out the LCM of these two numbers. That means A they have given, B they have given, HCF they have given. Right? This is HCF and LCM we have to find out. So for that solution, A is equal to 135 and B 225. Right. Next, HCF they have given, that is 45. We have to find out the LCM. Yes. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
LCF of A, B into LCF of A, B equals A into B. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ LCM ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? LCF ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. LCM of A, B equals A into B divided by 45 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ವಾ? LCF 45. ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಂಬರ್. ಅದು 135 into 225 divided by 45. Motivate model.
Yes. What is the answer? 675. Yes. A is 135. B is 225 and HCF they have given, that is 45. Okay. We know the formula. HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. HCF of two numbers and LCM of two numbers is equal to A into B. So HCF they have given, that is 45, and we know the values of A and B. 135 into 225. We want LCM. If we transfer this HCF to this side, it becomes divided by HCF, right? So HCF value is 45. So cancel madri. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 15 ones are 15 3s are, right? So 225 into 3. Yes, 225 into 3. What is the answer? 675. Yes, this is one method. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, find out the HCF and LCM of these two numbers. So find out the HCF and LCM. So HCF kottilla, LCM nu kottilla. So we have to find out both HCF and LCM. Then how you are going to do that HCF and LCM? Find out.
HCF LCM find out ಮಾಡೋದು.
Yes, LCM find out ಮಾಡುದು. 135 and 225. ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Again do prime factorization method. 135 and 225. Yes, 135 means 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So 1 remains. 3 5s are 15. Next, 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Right? So 225. 225 means it is 3 7s are 21. 1 remains 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 5 1s are 5. 2 remains. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. Right? 3 1s are 3. Then 135 is equal to factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Right? Next, 225 factors ಏನಿದೆ? 3 into 5 into 5 into 3. Yes. So, which number is common here? 3 is common. Next, here also 3 is there and here also 3 is there. Right? Here also 5 is there and here also 5 is there. So, HCF ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? HCF is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. So 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Yes, yes, HCF 45 ನೇ ಬಂತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 45 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ತರಹನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ LCM. LCM means HCF into remaining factors, right? So HCF ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 45. Remaining factors means here 3, here 5 into 3 into 5. So if you do the multiplication, you will get 600. Yes. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ತರಹನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಈ ತರಹನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Shall we move to next question?
Find HCF LCM of ಅಂತ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ.
So ಈ ತರಹನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಈ ತರಹನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. HCF and LCM of 404 and 96. Okay. One ನಿಮಿಷ. HCF and LCM of 404 and 96 and verify that HCF into LCM.
HCF LCM find out ಮಾಡಿ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, HCF ಮತ್ತು LCM ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 404 and 96. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4. Next, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 1s are 2. Next, 101 ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? ಎಸ್, 101. 101 itself is a prime number. So 101 ones ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next, 96. 96 means 2 4s are 8. Always you have to start from 2. 2 ನಿಂದಾನೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay. So ನಮ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Every composite number can be expressed as the product of primes. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. And always you have to start with the smallest prime number. 2 ದಿಂದ ಆದ್ರೆ 2, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are, next 2 3s are 3 1s are. Yes. So how many factors we are getting? 404 means it is 2 into 2 into 101. Next, 96. 96 andre 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 is repeating here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So into 3. So 2 is common here. Next, 2 is common. Okay, only these two numbers are common. Therefore, HCF ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into 2, that is 4. LCM is HCF into remaining numbers. HCF ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 4 ಇದೆ. Remaining numbers 101 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, right? So into it, into 3. So if you do the multiplication of these numbers, you will get the product 9696. Okay, so ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 9696 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next, so ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ verify means we have to verify that HCF into LCM ಏನ್ answer ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is equal to the product of two given numbers. Given numbers are 404 and 96. Okay, so HCF is 4. HCF into LCM is equal to A into B we are doing. HCF is 4. 4 into 9696, right? 96. A into B. A is 404. B is 96. So if you do the multiplication, you will get the answer as ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? So 6 4s are 24. Yes, 38784 ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 38784. ಎಸ್, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. Means LHS is equal to RHS. Whatever the value you have in the left hand side, so right hand side value same ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then only it is verified. Verify ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ same ಬಂದ್ರೆ it is verified. Otherwise it is not verified. Okay. Next question. ಏನಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes. HCF and LCM of two numbers is 9 and 459. If one number is 27, means one number they have given, and find out the other number, means we have to find out other number, that is B. See, HCF is how much here? 9, and LCM is 459. Okay, and A they have given, that is 27. B we don't know, we have to find out value of B. We know the formula, HCF into LCM of two numbers is equal to A into B. So HCF is how much? 9. 9 into 459 is equal to A is 27 into B. So transfer this B 27 to this side. It becomes 9 into 459 divided by 27 is equal to B. So cancel madri. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. Next, 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Next. Bharata, 3 1s are 3. 1 remains. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. Now, B value is 153. Okay. So, B value ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ 153. This is our final answer. Okay. Yes, this is interesting question. Calculate the HCF of 3 raised to 3 into 5 and 3 square 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. How you are going to calculate the HCF? Yes, HCF of these two numbers. Yes, my dear children. HCF of these two numbers, that is 3 raised to 3 into 5 and 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2. So HCF ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what we are going to observe is which one is common. So here 3 raised to 3 is there. Here 3 square is there. That means 3 raised to 2 is common. right? So 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 raised to 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 raised to 2 ಇದೆ. So 3 raised to 2 is common. Here 5 is there, here 5 raised to 2 is there, so 5 is common. That means 9 into 5, 9 5s are 45, right? So this is our HCF. Okay. So this is also same. HCF is they have given A into B. Okay. Directly they have given. See HCF of 1 minute. HCF of A and B is 12 and A into B. Directly they have given A into B value, that is 1800, right? So we have to find out the LCM. We don't know LCM of A and B. So HCF of A and B into LCM of A and B is equal to A into B. This is our formula. We know the value of HCF, okay, but we don't know LCM, and we know the product of A into B. Okay, now LCM of A and B is equal to A into B divided by HCF of A into B. Yake, when you transfer this HCF to this side, it becomes divided by HCF. Okay, so A into B value is 1800 divided by HCF is 12. So 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 3 2s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. So 5 1 remains 10, 2 5s are 10, 150. Therefore LCM is 150. 150. Yes. Okay. So these all are about 2 marks questions. Okay. Next. This is also same. HCF they have given and find out the LCM. This is also same. So same mero prashne bidsod beda. Next nodana. This is important. Revisiting irrational numbers. A number which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q is called irrational number. So what is irrational numbers? Numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. That we call it as a irrational numbers. So in irrational numbers, P and Q belongs to Z, where Q is not equal to 0. Let P be a prime number. This is theorem. If P divide A square, then P divides A, where A is a positive integer. Yes, P divides A. See, for example, consider A is equal to 10. Okay, P is equal to 5. P divides A, then P divides A square. That is, see, P divides A. 5 A ಅನ್ನ divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ P divides A, then P divides A, then P divides A square. See, if P be a prime number, 5 is a prime number, right? P divides A, P divides 10, 5 divides 10, 5 2s are 10. Then if P divide A square, so P divide A square, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. A is 10, that means A square is equal to 100. So if P divides A, then P divide A square. P is 5, A square is 100. So 5 1s are 5 2s are. ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ if P divides A, then P divides A square also. Therefore it is 20. ಇದು ಕೂಡ divide ಆಗತ್ತೆ. This is our revisiting theorem, where A is a positive integer. Okay, based on this theorem, we are going to expect, means this type of questions. That is, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number. So this is very, very simple question. So it may ask for 2 marks. So what you are going to do? First ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Assume ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Same story ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. Assume ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಏನಂತ? Assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. So rational number ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? When you call the number is a rational, then it is in the form of P by Q. Right? So ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು rational number ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. So when you are assuming that this number is a rational number, then 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q, obviously, because you are assuming this number is a rational number. So P by Q rational number ಇರುತ್ತೆ. where P and Q belongs to Z and Q is not equal to 0. Why Q is not equal to 0? See, if I consider 2 is a rational number. Okay, so 2 divided by 0 andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 divided by 0 andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Not defined. So result is not defined. Therefore, we are putting a condition that Q is not equal to 0. Next, P and Q is equal to 1. These are co-primes. ಇವನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Co-primes. That means P and Q is having the common factor 1. Okay, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು common factor ಇಲ್ಲ. Only 1 is a common factor for Q, P and Q ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Why? Because see, if I consider 3 and 5 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. What are the factors for 3? 3 and 1 and 5, 5 and 1. So 1 is common. Therefore, P and Q is having only 1 is a common factor. Right. So, ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Transfer this 3 to this side. It becomes P by Q minus 3. So, when you transfer this 3 to this side, it becomes minus 3. So, minus 3 ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Nothing is there means 1. Q into 1 or LCM is Q. So, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Q into 3, P into 1. P minus 3Q divided by Q ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Right? Divided by Q. See, 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q minus 3. Okay. So, 2 root 5 is equal to P. Nothing is there means 1. Do cross multiplication. P into 1 minus 3 into Q divided by Q. Next, transfer this 2 to this side. It becomes root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q divided by 2Q. Divided by 2Q. So, ade bandide illi. But observe carefully. Here, P minus 3Q divided by 2Q anta ide alla. So, it is in the form of P by Q. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? It is in the form of P by Q. That means root 5 is equal to P by Q ಅಂದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು. But we know that root 5 is a irrational number. But illen bantu root 5 is equal to P by Q means that means it is a rational number. But we know that root 5 is a irrational number. Therefore, this is not possible. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number. Okay, remember, this type of questions are asked, means in old question paper, these questions are asked for 2 marks. Only 2 marks questions ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes, this you know. Okay, prove that root 5 is a irrational number. This is also same story. Okay, first you are assuming that it is a rational number, P by Q ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So next same ಇದೆ. So ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆದು practice ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. So ಈ ಒಂದು question ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸೋಣ. Given that HCF is equal to same. This is also find the LCM. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ವಿ same question is there. HCF is 306, 657. So two numbers A and B and HCF A is 306 and B is 657 and HCF is 9. We have to find out LCM. Okay, again same story. HCF into LCM, that is equal to A into B. HCF is 9. Okay, 9 into LCM. A is 306 into 657 divided by, okay, when you transfer this 9 to this side, it becomes LCM is equal to 306 into 657 divided by 9. So, ನೀವು cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? You are going to get the answer as ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ. Yes. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು? LCM is 22,338 ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? So LCM is 22,338. So this is our final answer. Okay. Yes. So these type of questions can be asked for 2 marks.
Continue हो रहा है.
Okay. Prove that root 5 is a rational number. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ √5 ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, √3 ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ 3 + 2 √5 ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ ಸತಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ like 2 + √3, 7 + 3, 7 + √5, 6 + √5. ನಂಬರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ whatever we discussed today, I hope all are understood, right? So ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? Okay, yes, real numbers, whatever we discussed today.
And what?
Okay, shall we stop today? Yes, okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Okay, yes, shall we stop today
The
and
same
we'll
class
continue
is
in the
there
next
on
class.
YouTube.
Okay,
The
okay,
same
thank
class
you.
is there on YouTube. You can